Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. The Milwaukee PACKOUT system has absolutely exploded over the last couple of years, and it's grown to include radios, drawers, vacuums, lighting, and more. But there's one PACKOUT you've been asking for since the beginning. Milwaukee finally delivers. Let's go. These are the new Packout First Aid Kits, including a 204-piece Class B Type 3 kit and a 76-piece Class A Type 3 kit. Both kits are packed with first aid essentials specifically chosen for job site use. The new kits are IP65 rated weather sealed to protect the bandages, adhesives, antibiotics, and others from rain and job site debris. And since this kit is expected to travel through job sites, they use internal bins that keep everything in place as it gets jostled around. The transparent lid helps you quickly identify all the contents, and they feature heavy-duty latches and hinges, and wall hangers make them even easier to store. You guys have been asking for these for a long time, and now that they're here, you'll have to decide if the price is right. The Class A will be $69.97, and the Class B will be $129.97. Both will be available this June.